In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add two side-by-side buttons in a Mailchimp email campaign. We'll start right inside Mailchimp. From your dashboard, head to the Campaigns area. This is where all of your email work lives, so it's the right place to make design updates that your subscribers will actually see. Once you're there, open the email campaign you want to edit. If you manage multiple campaigns, make sure you pick the one that needs the new buttons so your changes land in the right place. Next, move into the design portion of that campaign by selecting Edit Design. This opens the drag and drop builder, which gives you a visual canvas on the left and customization options on the right. It's the most efficient way to add, rearrange, and refine your content without touching code. To place two buttons side by side, you'll first bring in a two-column layout. Find the layout blocks and drag a two-column layout into the exact spot where you want your buttons to appear. This layout creates a clean, balanced structure that works well on desktop and stacks neatly on mobile, so your call to actions remain clear across devices. With the columns in place, add your first button to the left column. Grab a button block and drop it into that first column. You'll see a default button appear, ready for customization. Buttons are most effective when they use short, action-focused phrases, so think along the lines of "Shop now," "Learn more," or "Get started." Now repeat that process for the right column. Drag another button block into the second column. Positioning both buttons this way allows you to highlight two distinct actions, like visiting a product page and reading a guide, without crowding your layout. Finally, edit the text and links for each button. Click into each button to change the label to something clear and compelling, then paste in the destination URL. Use full secure links that start with HTTPS to build trust and ensure reliable tracking. While you're here, you can also fine-tune the button style to match your brand, such as adjusting color, size, and alignment for better contrast and readability. Keep accessibility in mind with strong color contrast and concise wording so the action is obvious at a glance. Double-check that each link points to the correct page and that the text accurately reflects what happens after the click. Clear, consistent language reduces confusion and improves results. That's it. You've added two side-by-side buttons to your Mailchimp email, set them up with purposeful labels, and linked them to the right destinations for a polished, conversion-friendly design.